We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Greenco corner wall shelf, a 5-tier floating shelf unit designed for bedrooms, living rooms, and various other spaces. This shelf is marketed as a versatile and decorative storage solution that fits neatly into corners, making it ideal for small or challenging wall spaces such as dorm rooms, offices, kitchens, and bathrooms. The unit measures 7.75 inches in length and width with a total height of 48.5 inches and features a gray finish that blends well with many decor styles. It is constructed from durable MDF laminate and supports up to 11 pounds per shelf, which is suitable for displaying collectibles, small plants, books, and decorative items. Users appreciate the shelf's multifunctionality, noting that it works well not only as a decorative piece in boys' or teen rooms, but also as practical storage for kitchen spices, bathroom toiletries, and office supplies. The design is described as classic and clean, with a closed-back style that adds to its sturdiness once mounted. The shelf comes with mounting hardware and requires assembly, which most users find straightforward. Many reviewers mention that installation is easy with just a Phillips screwdriver, and the included screws and anchors are generally sufficient, although some opted to replace anchors with higher quality ones for added security. The assembly process is often described as manageable even for younger users, with one reviewer noting they completed it alone as a teenager in under an hour. The shelf is built flat on a surface before mounting to the wall, which helps avoid bending or bowing of the boards during assembly. Once secured to the wall with 3 screws, the unit is reported to be very stable and capable of holding a variety of items without issue. Users have placed collectibles, photo frames, plants, and other household items on the shelves with confidence in its sturdiness. A common point raised in reviews is the shelf size and clearance between tiers. Each shelf has a height clearance of approximately 7.5 inches, which limits the size of items that can be stored. This makes it less suitable for larger books or taller objects, but perfect for smaller items and decorative pieces. Some users wished for more vertical space between shelves to increase usability. The corner design fits well in tight spaces, but requires careful measurement to ensure it suits the intended area. The finish of the shelf is generally well-liked, with the gray color providing a modern and sleek look. However, some users noted minor imperfections such as screw caps that do not stay in place easily, or slight misalignment in the angles due to older or uneven walls. These issues are not considered major and can be remedied with simple fixes like applying clear glue to screw caps. The shelf's material is described as dense and sturdy, though it is essentially engineered wood and may split if screws are forced improperly. The pre-drilled holes sometimes do not align perfectly, which is typical for budget-friendly furniture, but does not detract significantly from the overall quality. Weight capacity is adequate for everyday decorative use, but should not be overloaded. The shelf is held by 3 screws into the wall, so it is not designed for heavy or bulky items. Users emphasize the importance of proper wall mounting for safety and stability. The shelf is water-resistant, making it suitable for bathroom use where moisture might be a concern. In terms of aesthetics, the shelf is praised for its ability to blend into a room and even look built-in when placed near the ceiling or accompanied by other furniture. It is a popular choice for those wanting a budget-friendly, stylish storage solution that maximizes corner space. The compact size and floating design create a clean and modern look without taking up floor space. Overall, the Greenco corner wall shelf is highly rated with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 63,000 ratings. It is considered a great value for the price, offering a sturdy, easy-to-install, and visually appealing shelving option for various rooms. While it has minor drawbacks such as limited shelf height and occasional assembly quirks, these are outweighed by its functionality and design. We recommend the shelf to anyone looking for a simple, affordable way to add storage and display space in small or awkward corners. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel.